The extremely skinny phone competition is gaining traction in 2025, with Samsung's forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 possibly introducing a new level of thinness and usefulness to the market. According to leaker Theolox, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be only 8.2mm thick when folded, putting it roughly half as thick as the first Galaxy Fold, which launched in 2019. This would make the Fold 7 somewhat thinner than the Oppo Find N5, which is presently the world's thinnest foldable device by roughly 0.7mm. However, the real question is whether Samsung can deliver on these promises. Some early speculation stated that the Fold 7 will be roughly 9mm when folded and around 4.5mm when unfurled, which seems more feasible than the ultra-thin 8.2mm number. However, the message is clear. Samsung is focusing on making its foldables smaller, lighter, and more pocketable than ever before. The Fold 7 is also expected to include features from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, including as a bigger, more immersive 8-inch main display and a 6.5-inch outer display, making the phone seem even more usable when folded. The anticipated 200-megapixel primary camera is the first time a whole device has a sensor that large, elevating mobile photography to new heights for foldables. This time around, Samsung is placing a strong focus on build quality, with reports pointing to a better under-display camera for cleaner selfies, a more robust folding mechanism, and an updated foldable screen that may make the crease less obvious. The Fold 7 is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which will provide flagship-level performance for everything from gaming to multitasking. There is also talk that it will launch with One UI 8, but One UI 7 is still relatively new. Samsung's rapid software upgrades suggest that the Fold 7 will have some distinct UI improvements or new functionality designed just for foldables. The majority of indicators point to an early July launch, with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 most likely sharing the limelight. It's looking like a huge summer for foldable technology. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.